I purchased this wig from Amazon for $88.88. The name of the store on Amazon is Ubetta. This is a human hair lace front wig. I got it in a 20-inch. The color is supposed to be platinum white blonde. It was advertised as being pre-plucked and 180 density. As you can see, the package came with a wig cap, so that's nice, complimentary. There are 3 combs inside of the wig. And this is what the lace looks like. This is the frontal part, and then there are tracks at the back of the wig. Here I am putting this wig on a 23-inch size wig block just to get a better look at this wig. I did like that the hair was soft. That's one of the things that I immediately noticed. And also, this hair had no smell right out of the package, which was shocking because usually they do stink. About 1 to 5 strands of hair did come out of the wig immediately. I'm not really tripping on that, but at the same time, it makes you kind of side eye. But also, you know, the price, you get what you pay for. Lastly, I will say that the color does match. It does look like a platinum blonde. It's white for the most part. Me personally, I will tone this because it's not the blonde that I was going for. But it is a true platinum for sure. Also, it's not a true 20-inch. The frontal on this wig was about a good 14 inches or so.